Boy, do I have a really good tip for you today. I'm just writing something on my screen. We're going to be talking about a very, very simple lead generation hack that you can start implementing right now in your business. I've been doing this for years, and I realized that I hadn't shared this with you yet. So here's the deal. Do you ever get friend requests? Well, of course you do, right? We all get friend requests, and sometimes they're random people. Sometimes they're people that we're not interested in getting connecting with, and sometimes they're people that we're potentially interested in connecting with. So the key is to have some reason for that person to not just friend you, but to get on your email list or in a group, or to get them information about what you do. So I'm going to share exactly what I do to generate leads. And if you like information like this, we have a free Facebook group called Clever Marketers, Online Marketing Made Simple. Check it out. It's free. I'd love for you to join us. We share all kinds of lead generation, automation, selling skills, anything that you require to build your business online, social media hacks. We've got all kinds of things going on over at Clever Marketers. So check that out if that is something that is interesting to you. We've got lots of goodies over there for you. So I'm going to share my screen. So hold on a second. Let me close this. And I'm going to share my desktop here. Yes, share and add to the broadcast. So here's what I do. I'm going to go over to my Facebook page and, to my personal Facebook profile. And I've got quite a few friend requests here. I usually let them pile up because I don't want to be distracted all the time trying to figure out who these people are. And I do go through every single one of these people. And if one of these is you, and so I just say welcome to the tribe. I also have a canned message that I keep, and I'm gonna copy it here. I'm not sure that you can see it, but I'll explain what it is. So when somebody requests to be a friend of mine, here's what I do. I'll go over to their profile. This is Katrina. I'll check them out. I want to make sure they're a real person, that I typically connect with entrepreneurs. This person looks awesome. Okay, so I'm going to respond to friend request and say, well, I'm just going to go up here. I'll respond to friend request and say confirm. It will reload the page, and now I have the opportunity to message Katrina. So I'm going to go over here to message. It's going to pull this up, and I'm going to I'm going to copy in my message to her, and it says, hey, Katrina, Katrina, thanks for the connection request. Not sure if you know, but I host a Facebook group that's dedicated to helping entrepreneurs build and automate their businesses online. You can check it out here, and it gives the URL for Clever Marketers Online Solutions for Online Marketing Made Simple. And I said, consider this a personal invitation. Have an amazing day. And I'll just send it, and she'll respond at some point, and she'll either come to the group or not if it's a good match for her. And then I'll go on to the next person, Sarah here. Sarah looks beautiful with her husband there. Let's see if we have some mutual friends. We do. And I can see some of our mutual friends are in direct sales. So I'm going to confirm the request with her too. And I'm also going to send her a message inviting her to our group. And you know what, you can give away anything here. The only thing that you do not want to do, Sarah, is spam your business link. That you definitely don't want to do. You're going to want to have some sort of free gift, opt-in page, any kind of tips, tricks, things that you can give away, a group, etc., so that you can invite her and she can decide whether, or him, and decide whether or not they want to participate. So I'm going to go down here. This person looks like it's junk. Yeah, I'm not going to be friends with. You can almost always tell when they're fake because they usually have these weird pictures. Delete, and I'm going to mark as spam. Then we're going to go to Teresa. Teresa looks like a real person. She looks awesome. We have mutual friends. Perfect. So I'm going to accept the friend request. Welcome, Teresa. Excited to work with you. And I'm going to message Teresa. Let's go here, right here, boom, boom. I just paste it in, and I'm inviting people. I'm giving something of value. We have lots and lots and lots of free training in our Clever Marketers group. It is transforming lives, I must say. Let's see, this person looks fake. Yeah, totally fake. Has 4,000 friends, but no offense, they're just not my type of friends. That's fine. I'm looking for people that I really want to, you guys could probably say I'm profiling, but I really am looking for people that would be a good match for me and my business. William Butt is not, so I'm just going to delete the request. And I'm going to go on to Iconic Becker. Like, who is that? If I never edit content again, probably not. Delete request. That just doesn't look right. Besides, who names themselves Iconic Becker? Sorry if that's you. John Pershing. I happen to know who this guy is. Awesome. I'm going to say confirm request. And I'm going to do the exact same thing. Message. This guy is a big networker out there. And I'm going to say John. And there we go. So here's the trick. It's just I go once a week. I'll go in here. Sometimes I'll have like 20 or 30 requests. Sometimes I'll have 2. It's kind of random. You never know. The trick of doing this here also, I'm going to try to stop. I'm not going to try. I'm going to stop sharing my screen. Hopefully you could see that. There we go. The trick is just having something of value that you can give away. So that can be a checklist, a PDF, a webinar, social media tips. I don't know, if you're in essential oils, you can have a PDF that says 6 ways to kill the common cold in 2 days using essential oils. You just want to have something that you can gift that person so that they get on your email list, or they get into a group, or they get to some place where you can market to them. That's it. And if you found value in this live, please join us over in Clever Marketers Online Solutions Made Simple. We'd love to have you over there. And let me know what your results are. I want to know how many leads that you can generate using this technique. Carla's over here. Again, join us over in Clever Marketers, and it's been my honor. I'm going to pop up on here on my page a couple times this week with updates and new lead generation, automation marketing tips that you can take into your business today. Have an awesome day.